How does the Atlas motorcycle adapter set work on your tire changer? The Atlas motorcycle adapter set is an important and necessary tool when changing many styles of motorcycle wheels. Changing a motorcycle wheel and tire assembly is basically the same as changing a car wheel and tire assembly. After you remove the air from the tire, use the bead breaker on the side of the machine to separate the tire bead from the rim. Most motorcycle wheels are secured to the tire changer using the outer jaw clamping technique. Pressing on the foot control pedal automatically opens the jaws to their widest outer clamping position. The wheel is then placed between the jaws, and the jaws are closed to grip the edge of the rim. Plastic snap-on metal jaw protectors can be used to protect the edges of the motorcycle wheels from the jaws. Most front motorcycle wheels do not have an extended hub or flange that is wider than the wheel. These front wheels can be clamped onto the tire changer in the same manner as a car rim without using the Atlas motorcycle adapter set. However, many motorcycle rear wheels have extended hubs, drive flanges, or sprocket assemblies that are wider than the wheel. These parts of the wheel would contact the turntable and prevent the wheel from being secured with just the turntable jaws. An Atlas motorcycle adapter set allows many of these rear wheels to be mounted without removing their hubs or their sprockets. The motorcycle adapters elevate the wheel above the turntable to allow extra room below for the drive flanges, extended hubs, or sprockets that are normally associated with rear motorcycle wheels. Motorcycle adapters also extend the outer clamping range of the tire changer, so the larger diameter rims may be accommodated. This is a 200 series tire mounted on a decorative spoked rim. The drive flange is wider than the wheel. To secure this wheel assembly to the tire changer without removing any part of the wheel, we need to install a set of motorcycle adapters. The motorcycle adapters slip over the turntable jaws and are secured into place with the hand screw. The powerful electric turntable motor has full power in both the clockwise and counterclockwise direction. After the wheel is securely mounted between the jaws, thoroughly lubricate the bead of the tire. Move the swing arm into position so that the mount-demount head is directly above the edge of the rim. Push down on the horizontal bar until the plastic bottom of the mount-demount head contacts the rim. Lock the vertical bar into place. The mount-demount head is pulled slightly off the edge of the rim as the vertical bar is locked into place. Use the tire bar to pull the edge of the tire over the front half of the metal mount-demount head. Rotate the turntable clockwise and the top bead will be removed from the rim. Repeat the process for the lower bead. To begin the mounting process, first lubricate both beads. Place the tire on the rim with the bottom bead resting on the back of the mount-demount head. Rotate the turntable until the bottom bead is below the top of the rim. Move the top bead so that the bead is aligned with the rear part of the mount-demount head. This tire has a rather stiff sidewall, so to prevent bead damage, we recommend you secure the hands-free clamp onto the rim in front of the mount-demount head. The hands-free clamp is used to keep the top bead below the rim flange as the tire is being rotated. The hands-free clamp takes the place of one of your buddies standing there and pressing down on the sidewall of the tire. As the last few inches of the top bead gets nearer to the mount-demount head, there is a possibility of stretching and perhaps tearing the bead of the tire. We recommend that at this point you spoon over the last portion of the bead to eliminate any possibility of damage. The turntable motor is very powerful, so take it slowly and minimize any risk of damage.